Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change W-4 on Workday app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change your W-4 tax withholding elections in Workday app, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Workday application, and then be sure to be logged into your account with the credentials as well. Then from your Workday home screen, simply tap on Pay Application, and then under the Actions section, select Withholding Elections. Then you will see tabs for federal, state and local elections. Simply tap on tab corresponding to the tax type you wish to update. Then tap on the Update button. The effective date will auto-populate with the current date. You can change this date if you want the new elections to take effect in a future pay period. Then follow the prompts to enter your filing status, dependents, other income, deductions and any extra withholding. Then select your state and complete the state specific form. Then once done, review your entries, click on I agree box to confirm the accuracy of your information, then tap on OK to submit your updated elections. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.